everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's day 7 of me posting every day for this month straight. Thank you for joining and supporting me. Please subscribe. Today is just a get ready with me. Right now I am just going ahead and using my Bare Minerals foundation. This is like a tinted foundation. I love this because it's light to medium coverage. So I'm just making sure to really blend that in. Sometimes I do color correct, but for now, because I want this the face itself to be light, and I don't want to have a lot of build up of foundation on my skin, I'm just going to straight with the foundation. Up next, I'm going in with my Born This Way concealer. Now I'm just making sure I'm blending it in well. I usually start with blending in my forehead, my chin, either one, before I go into my under eye. Sometimes when I have a lot of product, I just go in and use the sponge to pat onto my eyelids. Now I'm just using my makeup palette. I'll bring that below to contour. I'm just going in to my nose and upper eye contour. I usually link that to my brow. Not a lot of people do that, but I just like the effect it gives, linking it to my brows. Right now I'm just going in with my blush. I think for this blush I used the Sephora collection cream blush palette, which I'll be linking below too. I always just go in with my beauty blender to make sure that everything blends in at this stage, so I don't have any harsh lines, so I have smooth transitions between the different layers of products that I put in. Right now I'm just going to set my under eyes. And I'm going further to set everywhere that I kind of put concealer too. Now I'm going in with my MAC Cosmetics Studio Fix powder to make sure that I bring everything together. I'm going in with my RCA powder to bake and catch any fallouts from doing my eye makeup. This is the RCMA powder. I'm just going in with a little bit of concealer as my eyeshadow primer. So I'm going to blend that in, set it in with powder before going in with my eyeshadow. Eyeshadow, I'm going to be doing a cut crease look. I'm usually chit-chatting with someone while doing my makeup. It keeps me going, so excuse that. So right now I'm going in with concealer just to define the area where I'll be going in with my shimmer for my cut crease. I'm going in now with a little bit of powder to set that concealer. And now I'm going in with my eyeshadow. Sometimes doing the wing liner is easy and other times it's like a challenge. So I'm just using my Inglot Cosmetics liner right now to do my wing eyeliner. Okay, so now that I'm done with the wing, I'm just going ahead to use some powder, some concealer to clean it up, and I'll go over that with the powder. And move on to my brows. And today I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pen. I love this pen. It's very pigmented, it has a sharp point, and it's very precise.
The noose it fits some loose shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip, you choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh, I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign. No mercy in this world, just hunger thirsty persons in different versions, each new update that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor.
I'm just gonna use my brush to just brush upward, and I'm doing this really lightly.
I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world?
I'm just going in with some concealer, and majority of the time I'm going with a concealer that is not too bright, and I'm going in with just a little bit of concealer.
I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give, don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man.
And on the top of my brows, majority of the time I'm just using the remainder of the product. I rarely add like more product. I'm just using some powder now just to set it. Right now I'm just going ahead to finalize my face and making sure that all the powder and pressing in and patting that into my skin. Right now I'm just enhancing my contour with a bronzer. Everywhere that I contoured, I go in with the bronzer. So right now I'm just using my mascara under my eyes, and I'm gonna use my Juvia's Place blush palette to set that cream blush and make it more pigmented and visible. My under eye is giving me a little bit of trouble here, so it was getting watery, so I'm just going back with a little bit of concealer to set that part. Now I'm going in with my highlighter from Offer Cosmetics. Now I'm going on to the lips. I am using my MAC Cosmetics lip liner in Chestnut. And then I'm going in with this Urban Decay lip stain. I actually really love this combo. And this lipstick is long lasting and transfer proof, but also semi-gloss. And then I'm finishing everything up with my Makeup Forever micro finishing powder. If you've been watching my videos, you notice I use this as a stable. And I'm finishing up with the Scandinavia makeup spray. That's the final look. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. See you next time.